Would you pay 300 to 500 euros for a video of each of your properties? One agent in Berlin did until he found Pedra and he stopped doing it. Saverio Pallocca has over 10 years of experience as a real estate agent in Berlin. He manages between 1 to 3 listings per month, and he knew one thing: how well you present the property is very related to how fast you can sell it. And videos help a lot, but the problem was that video for him wasn't a viable option. And it wasn't due to mainly 3 problems that he found. First problem was that videographers were great, but they were just too expensive for the number of properties he was running. Second, if he did the videos himself with his phone, results would turn out shaky and not professional, which would actually be counterproductive to selling it fast. And 3, other tools were just too hard to use and would take too much time to get the results he wanted. As he explains it, when you manage between 1 to 3 listings per month, you cannot justify 300 to 500 euros per property. The margins just don't math. And if you just want to record the videos yourself, it's going to be a very tough time making them actually look good and help you sell the property. But the problem is that in a market like Berlin, the properties that are well presented online are the ones that sell fast, and a good video is key to that. So he completely changed his approach and he stopped relying on photographers and he turned into Pedra instead. The process is super simple. You head to Pedra, you create a project, you go to video, and from there you upload your photos. You click next, and then you can select if you want to animate all the photos so it looks like you recorded it in the property itself. Second, you can adjust the music, voiceover, the format, and more. And finally, you can rearrange some of the photos, add watermarks, add tiny descriptions and details, and you can click generate. No camera, no editor, no videographer. But a professional video is ready for you in under 5 minutes. Now every property has a video, every time same quality, consistent, and it changes how buyers perceive the property, and it changes how they perceive you too. So let's do a quick cost comparison. Before it was around 300 to 500 euros per video, lots of hours of work if you would do it yourself, and many listings without a video because most of the times you wouldn't be able to afford it, depending on the property and the deal you got with the owner. Now it's videos in 5 minutes for just a few euros, consistent quality and results, and on every listing. So if you want to do the same and you want to get professional videos in 5 minutes, you can head to pedra.ai and you'll be able to create your first video free.